Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, equines underscore underscore Emma. So equines underscore Emma. So get straight into the video. So as you can see by this title, this is an unboxing video. I literally have been waiting to get this for a while now, and the dream's come true. So I'm going to pull the box out, and I'm going to explain what's in it, or I might leave it with suspense. So just ignore that. That's my washing basket, which is my washing in the washing machine. And the Herald's messaged me. Ignore that. And that's just my bits and bobs. Anyway, get into the video. I'm so excited. Right, let's just stop my anticipation. So this is how big the box is, and as you can see. So this is actually, I'll tell you what these are my long-awaited Liberty Star clippers, and I've been wanting clippers for ages, my own clippers, because at the moment we've got the Hunter Master clips, and they're really heavy on your wrist. After a while they start to hurt my back, and I'm like, my back shouldn't be hurting at the age of like 22. So I thought, you know what, I'll get my own set of clippers. And again, at George and the Equines recommended this, and I'll probably won't leave it Instagram here because it's my last video. So I'm going to go ahead and watch my last video, Panda Neat. So yeah, I'll stop leaving you in suspense. Like, I can't restart this video, so let's hope my scissors can get into it. And who thought nail scissors can all get into everything? Okay, we're in. We're in, slowly, we're in. Okay. Right, let's check my copies up here. How the hell do you... right, I'm doing it wrong. Right, I'm going to do that. Let's do it this way. So, this is like an annoying suspense. Drinking my cup of tea. So yeah, I will open them in a second. I'm waiting for that cup of tea. Oh. Working all day makes you shattered. So, let's get in the box. So, I hope you guys have been having a lovely time watching my videos, as per usual. I'm just going to slowly open this. I know it's this way. I couldn't bother to go to the kitchen and explain why I wanted a pair of scissors, because I never go in the kitchen to ask for scissors. I've like, what the hell is this box carrying, so I thought what better way to explain it than in the YouTube video. And it's something to do with horses, yay! So yeah, let's get in this slowly. I'm getting there. And about, not even opened it yet. And this is like 3 minutes long already. Jesus Christ. Stop leaving you in suspense. This is killing me as well, literally. Well, literally, obviously, exactly stupid, but who would have thought nail scissors could cut through this? Honestly, these cut through anything. Ooh, you've opened the box. Put my best foot in this. This looks so exciting. Oh, I love the bubble wrap. It's a good bubble wrap. Some bubble wrap. Some more bubble wrap. Oh, the box inside of the box, guys. Oh, this is going right, isn't it? Right. Put the bubble wrap back in the bubble wrap. Don't use my phone. I forgot to it. There's another box. I'll get that, honestly. Sorry if I'm flashing. This is meant to be an appropriate video. It's open you. 3, 4. Damn it! Why can't I cut it all the way open? There we go. Open. We're in. Hopefully this time. Okay, I see the box. It's so exciting. Okay, that's just the marble wrap, lovely. And this is just a brochure by Alan Davis Liver. Thank you for your order. Ooh, that's exciting. There's a bag for, I'm assuming, your clippers to go into. That's lovely. It's nice. That's good. Look at that. Okay, we're not going to get the box up just yet. So these are 2 extra things that came in. It's got Dandy Bush, which is lovely. And this is like his own curry cone. I've always wanted a really nice curry cone. This is going to be lovely and nice and golden when he's clipped, obviously, because I wouldn't do it when he's not clipped. So, yeah, I'm going to use these on when he's not clipped, because again these will hurt him because it's quite bristly, but I might flick it off the dust. Anyway, let's get to the clippers. You ready? I can lift them out. Okay. I'm going to take this, so these are nice cake. I'm going to put it. I'll tip the screen down. You might have some head for a few minutes. Let's sit down like this. That's better. Ignore all the mess I've just made. But look at this. Oh, so excited. So let's open this. Great start. That's not the opening end. You guys can see it before me. What's the thing? Look at these. Oh my, this is amazing. It's got our how-to thing on it, how to tighten our knobs. That's interesting. And there's some manual. We always need a manual clippers. That's very good. But look at this. A nifty little brush that every clipper comes with. Brush. Oh, that's so cute. And then some lovely clipper oil. That's going to be so handy. My clipper oil, not that clip. Are you ready? And look, just look at these clippers. They're literally dying. I'm going to put it back in, but just look. Just look at this. Da, da, da. It's so amazing. Apply it all before using Liberty Advanced usage. Oh, that's so amazing. Okay, I'm obviously going to read this properly one day, but so amazing. Honestly, I can't believe I got me a set of clippers. It's just a dreams come true. These are so lightweight. Off, on, off, on. Okay, let's do that. They're so cute. I love these so much. They're so much lighter compared to the master clips. Honestly, they're literally like so good. I'm not even clipped with it yet. I'm so excited to use these. Tighten it all the way. Okay. And then your oil, your knob. I'll read that more in detail when I actually do use them. I'm not going to use them for a couple of weeks yet until Gordon's clips going out a bit, and I'll obviously clip in. I won't clip him now because what's the point? I've just clipped him like 2 weeks ago. I'm so glad I showed you that. And look, this is even more snazzy. Oh, I forgot these in. See about to use stuff. So you never leave it with stuff. That's sort of good thing. There we go, it's in. It's in! Don't know what that is, but we'll find that out. So clip oil back in. I'm literally so excited. Okay, so stop being excited now. And back in the go. And if you guys ever want to know what these are like, I will totally do a review on them because they're literally amazing. Can't wait to use them. So light compared to what I'm used to. All this only cost me 300 quid, so a very good deal. It's a limited edition, so get it quick. But I need that, that's important. Oh, don't want to break my clips, I just bought them. Great start, wouldn't it? Breaking clips before you even use them. And look at this. You ready? Oh, it's thin. That's some magic. And it even. That's cool. That's amazing. This is a set of pure glass. Thank you, Lisa Clippers and Davis. These were amazing. Can't wait to try them out. Bye. I hope you enjoyed it, and again, if you want to be part of my equine family, why not go ahead and press that subscribe button. Why don't you also smash that notification bell, bing, so you know every time I post a video, as well as why don't you have, and give this video a huge big thumbs up so that every time you enjoy it, and if this is your video you want. So I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Goodbye.